comes Jimmy the rabbit. Oh dear. It looks like Jimmy may be allergic to something. I wonder what it could be. What have you been eating, Jimmy? I have an idea. Look at that. I think Jimmy is allergic to carrots. Can you tell us what an allergy is, please, Robbo?
An allergy is when your body's immune system makes a bit of a mistake and thinks something harmless is dangerous to your body.
In Jimmy's case, his body is reacting badly to carrots. Not to worry, there are lots of other delicious vegetables that you can eat instead. We have broccoli, cabbages, and squash. They are all super healthy and taste fantastic. Look, the squash is even the same colour as carrots, but it won't make you sneeze. Yummy, yummy. My next patient is Joe. He is a stick insect.
Stick insects are some of the best creatures on the planet at camouflaging themselves. Camouflage is a way certain animals can blend in with their surroundings. It's a way of hiding from animals that might want to eat them.
Joe? Are you there? I'm sorry, but I can't see you. Robbo, can you try and spot Joe? I don't think he's in there.
I'm having trouble spotting Joe, Dr. Poppy.
Oh, there you are, Joe. Why are you sad? Oh dear, Joe. You're sad because you're sick of being ignored by people.
Listen, Joe, it's not that we don't like you. We just don't see you. Wear these clothes and coat of many colours, then we can see you. Don't go hiding in the trees no more, or crawl through the bushes on the forest floor. You can wear these anytime you want to, and we will see you. Yes, we can see you.
Wow, look at that outfit, Joe. You look fantastic. You really stand out. I love the jacket. It's a perfect fit. You look amazing.
Orange, purple, blue and red and yellow, they're all here for you. Wear these clothes and coat of many colours, then we can see you. Once you know about the friends you have, you'll forget you ever felt so sad. You can wear these anytime you want to, and we will see you. Yes, we can see you.
That looks so cool. Do you feel better now, Joe? And yes, we can see you.
Lily is a breed of dog called a beagle. Did you know that a beagle could use its powerful sense of smell to follow another animal's tracks, even if they're buried under deep snow?
Welcome, Lily. What seems to be the problem? You look very itchy, Lily. Shall we take a closer look at your fur and see what's making you so itchy?
Let's use this magnifying glass. A magnifying glass helps us to see tiny things very clearly and in more detail.
Aha! Just as I expected. You have jumpy, itchy little fleas having a party in your fur. Robbo, can you fetch the flea vacuum, please?
Let's suck those little fleas right up.
Let's count the fleas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's it. We got them all.
Those pesky fleas are so troublesome. Look, they're carrying on with their party. Lily, you are now flea-free. Our first animal today is Lucy the goldfish.
Many people think that goldfish have trouble remembering things. This is actually not true. Goldfish have memories that last 3 months. I do hope Lucy remembers what she's come here for today.
Hi, Lucy. How can I help you today? Stop, Lucy, before you hurt yourself. I think I may know what's wrong, but I need your help, Robbo. I think Lucy needs an eye test. Please can you get some words up on the screen for Lucy?
One eyesight test coming right up.
Lucy, can you read this? Don't worry, Lucy. K-R-A-B spells crab. Let's try another. Never mind, Lucy. Sh-a-l spells shell. I know. Robbo, I think Lucy has a problem with her eyesight. Can you please fetch the reading goggles? Try these out, Lucy. They're super special goggles that make you see better. Sometimes humans need to wear glasses to help them see better too. A perfect fit. Let's see if that makes a difference. That's right, Lucy. Fish spells fish. Well done. I think you just needed a pair of glasses, didn't you? The cat. Cats are members of the feline family, which means Sarah here is actually very closely related to lions and tigers. But Sarah's a lot friendlier. Hello, Sarah. Shall we take a look at you? I promise I'll be gentle. Let's have a look. Sarah, your tummy looks very big. Have you been eating too much? Let's have a listen to your heartbeat. Well, listen to that. You have 4 heartbeats and a large tummy. Does anyone know why Sarah might be feeling unwell? She's pregnant and she's about to give birth. Let's count how many kittens Sarah gives birth to. 1, 2, 3. 3 beautiful kittens. Well done, Sarah. You're a mummy. Here's Colin the chameleon. Chameleons are a special type of lizard. And did you know that the tongue of a chameleon can be longer than its entire body? Now then, Colin, what can we do for you? A chameleon has special skin, which means they can change colour to blend in with their background. This is called camouflage. Let's test it out, shall we, Colin? Hey guys, meet Robbo.
Hello, everyone.
Robbo is my friendly robot helper here in the treatment room.
That's right. I've got all of the tools that we need to help the animals feel better again. I can even use my tickling stick.
Robbo, please can you swap the colours of the backgrounds for Colin and we'll see if he can change to the right colour.
Red.
This is red. But oh dear, look, Colin has changed to blue.
Yellow.
This is yellow. But Colin has changed to red.
Green.
This is green. But Colin has changed to orange. There's definitely a problem here. Robbo, I think Colin needs to relearn which colours are which.
Red, orange, yellow, green, 4 of the colours of the rainbow. Blue, indigo, violet, 3 more to make the full set. So Colin, you must not forget all the lovely colours of the rainbow. You can change red, blue or green and all the lovely colours in between. Red, orange, yellow, green, 4 of the colours of the rainbow. Blue, indigo, violet, 3 more to make the full set. So Colin, chameleon, don't you know you can match the colours of the rainbow? Red, yellow, green and blue. What an amazing thing, oh what a lovely thing, what a wonderful thing you can do.
Now, let's test you again, Colin.
Red.
Well done, Colin. We can hardly see you. You're red.
Yellow.
Excellent work, Colin. You're now yellow.
Green.
Perfect. You got all 3 right, Colin. You're now a lovely shade of green. It looks like you're all cured. Fantastic. Here comes Jake the spider.
Some people think that spiders are insects, but that's not true. Spiders are actually members of the arachnid family.
Oh dear, Jake. It looks like you're limping on one of your legs. What happened? That sounds like a nasty fall. Let me take a look at that for you. Robbo, I think we need to take an X-ray of one of Jake's legs.
One X-ray coming right up.
Spiders don't have bones like you and me. They are arthropods, which means their skeleton is on the outside. This is called an exoskeleton. If you look, you can clearly see here that poor Jake has broken one of his legs. I think we need to put that leg in a cast, which will give it the support it needs whilst it heals. Whilst Robbo is putting Jake's cast on, shall we count how many legs Jake has? He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. That's you all fixed, Jake. Now don't climb any walls or water spouts for 2 weeks and try to get plenty of rest. Oh, there you are, Joe. Why are you sad? Oh dear, Joe. You're sad because you're sick of being ignored by people.
Listen, Joe, it's not that we don't like you. We just don't see you. Wear these clothes and coat of many colours. then we can see you. Don't go hiding in the trees no more, or crawl through the bushes on the forest floor. You can wear these anytime you want to, and we will see you. Yes, we can see you.
Wow, look at that outfit, Joe. You look fantastic. You really stand out. I love the jacket. It's a perfect fit. You look amazing.
Orange, purple, blue and red and yellow, they're all here for you. Wear these clothes and coat of many colours, then we can see you. Once you know about the friends you have, you'll forget you ever felt so sad. You can wear these anytime you want to, and we will see you. Yes, we can see you.
That looks so cool. Do you feel better now, Joe? And yes, we can see you. Great. Who's our last patient at the Pet Rescue Centre today? This is Gordon the hamster.
Hamsters like Gordon are very good at digging. They create big burrows in the soil where they live.
Hi, Gordon. You look like you're enjoying your wheel there. Oh dear, this is not good. It looks like you're going to be sick. Have some water. Water makes you feel better by getting rid of headaches and keeping you refreshed. How often do you spin in your wheel, Gordon? I think Gordon is travel sick. If you're going to play on your wheel for that long, you need something that will stop you feeling sick all the time. Ask your mummy or daddy to give you a spoonful of this every morning when you wake up and at night when you go to sleep, and you can play all day long. Let's see how many circles Gordon can do in his wheel now, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic, Gordon. You really are talented. Here comes Henrietta Hen.
Did you know that hens are omnivores, which means that as well as eating seeds and vegetables, they also eat insects and small animals like mice?
What seems to be the problem? Look! Henrietta's laid 4 eggs, but they're all different shapes and sizes and not at all the right shape for an egg. I think Henrietta has forgotten what shape egg she needs to lay. Robbo, shall we try and remind her?
Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid?
Square, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid?
Square, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Henrietta, what's the right shape egg? It's an oval, an oval. Oh, my friend Henrietta, you lay lovely eggs. But what is the right shape? Can anybody guess? Is it a square?
No, that's not right.
Is it a circle?
Close, but I'm not ready to bite.
Is it a triangle? Is it a rectangle? No, it's an oval, an oval. Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid?
Square, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid?
Square, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Henrietta.
Henrietta has laid a perfectly shaped egg.
So now we know that oval is the right shape for an egg. Wow! It's Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer!
Rudolph is part of Santa's special team of magical reindeer who pull his sleigh around the world on Christmas Eve.
Hello, Rudolph. You don't seem to be your usual self today. What seems to be the matter? Are you telling me you can't fly, Rudolph? We have to fix that, don't we? So you can deliver all the presents to good girls and boys on Christmas Eve. Maybe, instead of eating that grass, Robbo can make you some magical reindeer food to give you that Christmas spirit again.
Some magical reindeer food coming right up. Here we go.
Amazing! You look better already, Rudolph. Let's see if you can fly now. Can you take a big leap again? Brilliant, Rudolph! That's all from the Pet Rescue Centre today. See you again soon, and Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.